Okay. Do you want another bite of your first grilled cheese? This one looks like a good one. Oh boy. You want that? Oh, is that good cheese coming out? Here, let's try it. You want it? Oh boy. Let's try another one. This one. Hello. Whoop. Hello. Whoop. Hello. William, look here. Grilled cheese. What's this here? Oh boy. One more time. Here you go. No? Oh boy. Oh, look at this fresh piece. Oh my God. This is not good.